Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Talk English Daily. I'm your host, Emini, and I'm thrilled to be here guiding you through practical English conversations that make a real difference in your daily life. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into English waters or someone looking to polish those speaking skills, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into a super common challenge: how to say, "I don't understand" clearly. We've all been there, staring blankly in a conversation, heart racing, not sure how to ask for clarification without feeling awkward. But don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll have simple, clear phrases, pronunciation tips, and even a shadowing exercise to practice right along with us. And joining me today is my co-host and language buddy, John. Hi, John.
Hey, Emini. Hi, listeners. Absolutely love this topic. It's like the secret weapon for surviving any chat in English. Let's make confusion a thing of the past.
Exactly, John. So, first things first, why does this matter? Imagine you're at a coffee shop ordering a latte or in a meeting with international colleagues, and someone throws a curveball idiom or speaks too fast. If you just nod and smile, you might end up with a decaf when you wanted extra shot, or agreeing to something wild. Saying, "I don't understand" politely opens the door for better communication. It's not a weakness, it's a strength. John, what's a time this saved you?
Oh man, last week during a video call with my team in the UK, they were using knackered for tired. And I was like, wait, is that a snack? Chuckles. I just said, sorry, could you explain that? Boom, crisis averted, and we all laughed about it.
Love that. Okay, beginners, this is for you. We're starting simple. The most straightforward way is "I don't understand." Let's break it down phonetically for clear pronunciation. It's "I don't understand." Say it with me. "I don't understand." Stress the "don't" and "stand" a bit. Make it confident, not apologetic. Pause for 2 seconds. Soft echo effect on Emily's voice for emphasis. Now try it slowly. "I don't understand." Good! Faster now. "I don't understand." Feel that? It's quick and direct.
Spot on, Emini. And for variety, especially if you want to be a tad more polite, try, sorry, I didn't catch that. Phonetics. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, I didn't catch that. The sorry softens it, like a friendly nudge.
Perfect! Here's another gem. Could you repeat that, please? This one's gold for classrooms or meetings. Break it. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Roll the R lightly if you're comfy and end with a rising tone on please to sound inviting. Sound effect, gentle chime to signal a list or tips section. Let's list out 5 essential phrases for beginners. I'll say each one slowly, then at normal speed. Pause after each and repeat out loud. That's your mini shadowing warm-up. I don't understand. Slow. I don't understand. Normal. I don't understand. Pause 3 seconds. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Slow. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Normal. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Pause 3 seconds. Could you repeat that, please? Slow. Could you repeat that, please? Normal. Could you repeat that, please? Pause 3 seconds. What does that mean? Slow. What does that mean? Normal. What does that mean? Great for new words. Can you say it differently? Slow. Can you say it differently? Normal. Can you say it differently? Pause 3 seconds. This invites rephrasing. Super useful.
Emini.
These are lifesavers. Pro tip for newbies: pair them with body language. A slight head tilt or open palms shows you're engaged, not shutting down. It makes you seem approachable.
Yes. Now let's level up to our shadowing English section. This is where the magic happens. Shadowing means listening and repeating immediately, mimicking tone, speed, and intonation. It's like being a voice parrot, but way more fun. We'll do a short dialogue. John, you be the fast-talking friend confusing me at a party. I'll respond with our phrases. Listeners, shadow me. Pause your player if needed, but try real time. Sound effect, subtle party ambience fades in briefly. Muffled chatter and clinking glasses. 5 seconds.
Hey, Emini, so I was totally chuffed about the new gig. It's proper mint, in it? We should hit the sesh next weekend.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. What does chuffed mean?
Chuffed means really happy or pleased, like thrilled.
Shadowing prompt. Emini repeats slowly. Sorry, I didn't catch that. What does chuffed mean? Slow. Sorry, I didn't catch that. What does chuffed mean? Now normal speed. Normal speed repeat. Great job. Oh, cool. And mint?
Mint is British slang for excellent or cool.
I don't understand in it, though. Could you say it differently?
In it is like isn't it for agreement. So, yeah?
Shadowing. I don't understand in it, though. Could you say it differently? Slow breakdown, the normal. Pause 5 seconds for practice. Awesome! See how that flows? Shadowing builds muscle memory. Do this daily. Record yourself and compare. John, any advanced twists?
Totally. In formal settings, like job interviews, go with, I'm afraid I didn't quite follow. Could you elaborate? It's polished. Phonetics. I'm afraid I didn't quite follow. Could you elaborate? But stick to basics first, folks.
Sound effect. Soft whoosh transition to wrap up. Wrapping it up, we've covered why clarity matters, 5 beginner phrases with pronunciation guides, and hands-on shadowing. Remember, saying I don't understand isn't embarrassing. It's the key to deeper connections. Practice one phrase today. Thanks, John, for the laughs and insights.
Anytime, Emini. Listeners, drop us a voice note on our site with your shadowing attempts. We might feature you.
Absolutely. If you loved this, subscribe to Talk English Daily on your favorite platform. Leave a review and join us next time for Mastering Small Talk at Parties. Until then, keep talking and understanding.